Dear all, I am happy to present you a brand new model from our electric portfolio. Since 2020, we have built and delivered over 250,000 Skoda Enyaq and Enyaq Coupe models to customers all around the world. The Enyaq has become one of the most popular electric cars in many markets. And now, we want to bring you a new version of this bestseller. This is our new Skoda Enyaq and Enyaq Coupe. They are even more eye-catching thanks to our modern solid design language. And they're available in two body styles, giving our customers the freedom to choose. Alongside the elegant and timeless appearance, the new Enyaq comes with optimized aerodynamics, longer range, and smart features. With increased range, our users can explore even more destinations on a single charge. The new Enyaq can travel more than 580 kilometers, and the coupe version can go even further, with an impressive range of 590 kilometers. These are the longest ranges we've ever achieved in our EV portfolio. You can recharge the largest battery versions from 10 to 80% within just 28 minutes, with a maximum charging power of 175 kilowatt. Every true explorer needs a break on their journey. That's about the time it takes you to enjoy a coffee and stretch your legs. Both body styles come in three options: the 60, 85 and the all-wheel drive 85X. You can also enjoy a more dynamic experience with the new Skoda Enyaq Sportline. In addition to the typical sporty, distinctive design details, it will offer a dynamic suspension lowered by 15 millimeters, always complemented with progressive steering and an optional dynamic chassis control. Now, let's have a closer look on design of the new Enyaq.
Solid, functional and authentic, with a fresh and appealing design. This is the new Enyaq, featuring our modern solid design language. All versions boast excellent aerodynamics, new interiors and new colors, like the sleek olive green you see here. But today is not just me presenting the design. My talented colleagues will tell you more about what makes the new Enyaq special. Peter, Jirka, Kate, over to you.
Our modern solid design focuses on clean lines and functionality. You can see this clearly at the front of the car. The new illuminated tech deck face seamlessly transitions into the LED daytime running lights, creating a smooth and modern look. The front shape isn't just stylish, it's also designed to improve efficiency. The main LED matrix headlights enhance this sleek appearance. The Skoda wordmark on the bonnet, finished in our unique dark chrome, adds a touch of elegance. On the standard model, the front bumper has the same color finish, and this detail continues along the lower edge of the car, creating a consistent and striking look.
The Enyaq Coupe is the most aerodynamic car in our current lineup, with a drag coefficient of just 0.225. This is thanks to the new tech deck face and its sloping roofline. The Coupe always comes with a panoramic glass roof, adding light and providing a unique look out to the world. All its body parts, including the bumpers and side skirts, are painted in the same color, giving it a seamless and stylish appearance. The unique dark chrome wordmark at the front and rear, along with matching accents on the model names, complete the look. These details are not just on the outside, they are also featured inside the car for a unified design.
The interior of the new Skoda Enyaq focuses on simplicity, spaciousness and intuitive design. Clean lines and sustainable materials make it both modern, practical and environmentally friendly. The large boot offers up to 585 liters, plenty of luggage room for a long family holiday. Additionally, there are 48 liters of extra storage space in the cabin. The new Enyaq offers 6 interior trim levels: loft, lodge, Lounge, Eco Suite, Suite and Sportline. Right now, we are sitting in the lounge trim. It combines Swedia microfiber materials and artificial leather and textiles, all in neutral grey tones. The Eco Suite trim uses cognac leather seats and upholstery, which are tanned in an eco-friendly way using an olive leaf extract, a byproduct of olive harvesting.
Thanks, team. I'll take over for the Sportline. The Sportline trim stands out with its sportier design, both inside and out. Black painted details like the word marks on the bonnet and rear, the model name, mirrors and windows give it a dynamic and bold look. All other parts, like the bumpers and side skirts, are painted in the same color for a unified design. Inside, the Sportline trim features artificial leather and Swedia microfibers with contrasting grey stitching, carbon trim decors and a black headliner. It's sporty yet comfortable, almost like a living room.
Excellent teamwork. Thank you all. The new Enyaq and Enyaq Coupe are ready for you to explore new destinations and write the next chapter of the Enyaq success story. With a modern, solid design, improved aerodynamics, longer range and an intuitive, comfortable interior, they truly offer an outstanding all-around experience. The new Enyaq and Enyaq Coupe start at around €44,000 and will be available to order in several European markets from tomorrow on. For all the details, visit our websites. I hope you are as excited as we are. Let's explore the new Enyaq.